Hello and welcome. This video gives you a concise summary of everything you have learned in week 1, highlighting the major milestones across unit 1, 2 and 3. In unit 1, you begin by exploring the foundations of entrepreneurship and how digital transformation is reshaping new venture creation across Asia. You discovered that entrepreneurs serve as innovator and opportunity seekers who bring meaningful solution to society, which shows how understanding real user needs and addressing meaningful problems can lead to solution that scale effectively in the digital economy. You then moved into startup development phases, learning how ideas evolve from early assumptions to validated solutions and eventually scalable businesses. This set the stage for understanding digital entrepreneurship, where ventures are built using digital artifacts like apps, platforms or algorithms. Still, within unit 1, you explored the digital economy, gaining insight into how digital access and participation fuel innovation in India and other countries of Asia. You also learned how digital markets reduce barriers and create powerful network effects, enabling even small teams to build solutions with global potential. You got familiar with important definitions and aspects such as how AI and big data shape digital entrepreneurship by improving personalization, automation and strategic insight, while raising important questions about ethics and responsible use. Moving into unit 2, your focus shifted to designing effective business models. You explored the digital entrepreneurship life cycle, understanding how each phase from innovation to enterprise building requires different decisions and tools. You compared the lean canvas and business model canvas, learning how the lean canvas helps validate early assumptions, while the business model canvas provides a system level view of how startups create and captures value. To connect strategy to execution, you were introduced to modeling tools like BPMN, Archimet and TOGAF, which help translate business ideas into workflows, processes and scalable architectures. You also learned how startup teams combines technical, business and marketing roles. In unit 3, you explored major digital business models including subscription, freemium, platform, e-commerce and collaborative consumption, each offering different pathways for generating revenue and scaling quickly. You then got acquainted with key sectors of digital economy such as ICT, fintech, cloud computing and AI, along with digitally transformed industries like healthcare and agriculture. These examples helped you recognize where digital innovation is creating new opportunities. By completing Units 1, 2 and 3, you built a strong foundation for understanding how digital ventures originate, what are usual business models, how they are modeled, and how they operate within today's digital economy and influence other sectors. Great job this week, and keep your curiosity active as we move forward. Thank you.